Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. We're going to do a whole series of lawn care videos. It's going to be great for people who are struggling to get their lawn to look nice. And my lawn, for example, has always looked okay, and people thought that my lawn looked good, but when you walk upon it, you see a lot of issues, a lot of dead spots, a lot of weeds, and so I've spoken to the good people at Jonathan Green, and they are schooling me and providing me with a lot of information to help transform my lawn and revitalize it and make it healthy, so that way you've got the best looking lawn possible. So this is the first video in the series. I'm going to ask you to watch all of the videos in the series in the playlist, which I'll be adding over time. This is something that's going to take about a year, but I'm going to have a lot of videos this spring and into the summer and then the fall, and you can follow along and you can see what I've learned from Jonathan Green. I'm going to use some of their products to help bring this lawn back to maybe better than it ever was, probably. So in the first step we're going to do is dethatch the lawn. And the reason why you need to dethatch the lawn is because all that thatch creates a mat and a barrier down just above the soil. It prevents water from getting down to the roots of the grass. It prevents nutrients, it chokes everything out, and it fosters an unhealthy environment for the lawn and also for the soil. And so what we want to do is dethatch. I'm going to do it once per year. I haven't done it maybe in forever. I think I rented a machine 10 years ago, and now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here about dethatching my lawn. I'm going to do it in a multi-step process. So this is going to be the first video that you're going to watch here. So before I get started, you're going to look at all of this dead stuff in here. Okay, it's really matted. Look at this over here. Okay, we want to get all of this stuff up and expose the soil. And have this area back here. You can just look at this horrible situation, and grass and weeds grow back here just because it's not optimal for the lawn. So we're going to get all of the dead stuff out of here. So let's take a look here after dethatching. You can see we got most of it up, and there's just a lot of soil here now. A lot of exposed soil where before we had a mat of grass. Even here. Back here in this area, it was really thick with a lot of thatch and matted grass, and now you can even see the little cuts that the machine was making, and now we're going to have some much better contact with the seed, and also all the other nutrients in the water we'll be able to get through. So dethatching was just one step here. I want you to follow the rest of my videos, and next thing we're going to talk about is soil amendment and why it's important to take care of your lawn soil, and that will promote healthier lawns, fewer weeds. So I'm going to link to that video right after this one here at the end. I'm going to put the whole playlist in the first pinned comment and also the description. If you have any questions about dethatching your lawn and why it's helpful, or anything at all, just leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.